Okay, Strickland here. We're going to talk about Punnett squares, which is not that hard, but you got to be shown how to do it. Now, whenever you're trying to figure out what the phenotype or the physical characteristics of a cross will be, you just need to know the genotypes. And the most important thing to know is dominant and recessive. And the easiest way to put that, dominant starts with a capital T, recessive lowercase t. And that could be any letter, okay? It could be any letter, but the most important thing is this. You need only one capital letter for the dominant trait to be seen. In order for the recessive trait to be seen, you need two lowercase letters, as you see right here. So in this case, when they cross these two pea plants, we got dominant and recessive, dominant and recessive. You combine them to make these two T's. You combine these guys to make the lowercase and the upper or the capital letter. But the main important thing to remember is this: one dominant trait, because we got to have two, one from the male, one from the female. But the one dominant means the dominant trait will come out. You must, and I stress this, you must have two recessives to make that trait be seen in the phenotype or the physical characteristics. Then you go and make the probability. You've got four squares here, and they're all the combinations of mother and father. When trying to figure out probability, it's what you want over what can happen. So, for example, this case, you got dominant, 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 recessive. So you've got 3 over 4, and 3 over 4 would come out being 75%, because divide 3 by 4, you get 0.75. And when you do that, you convert it to a percent by moving the decimal two places over. And this is explained down below.